Every leaf you've ever seen is actually a tiny solar-powered factory. And today, we're diving inside that factory to discover the scientific magic called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants, algae, and some bacteria make their own food. They use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to produce glucose, a simple sugar, along with the oxygen that we breathe. Inside, we find millions of tiny cells. Within these cells are green structures called chloroplasts, packed with a pigment known as chlorophyll, the reason plants appear green. These chloroplasts are the real workstations of photosynthesis. When sunlight hits chlorophyll, it excites the pigments just like charging a battery. This energized chlorophyll starts the light-dependent reactions, which occur in the thylakoid membranes of the chloroplast. The oxygen escapes through the leaf stomata, becoming part of the air we breathe, while the energized electrons generate ATP and NADPH, two important energy carriers. Here begins the Calvin cycle, also called the light-independent reaction. Using the ATP and NADPH from the previous stage, carbon dioxide molecules are assembled into glucose. This glucose becomes the plant's food, helping it grow new leaves, fruits, and roots. So the next time you see a green leaf, remember, inside it, a powerful, silent factory is running, keeping the planet alive, one photon at a time.